Welcome back to that cyber guy. So in the last couples of weeks we discussed Nmap and the graphical user interface of Nmap, which is Zenmap. So today what we are going to do, we are going to just deep dive into the features of Zenmap. Now are you ready to just master Zenmap? Buckle up and let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. So today we are going to just have a very short video. So once you open the Zenmap, you can actually go to the search bar and type Zenmap. After you download it and hit enter. And then once it opens, you can just click on, if you want to have multiple windows, you can click on this and that will open a new window for you. And then you can just open the scan. For example, you may have a scan that you save. You can just open it from there and then you can save your scan for later analysis. You can actually print the result as well. So the tool session, you can just search scans and filter hosts, etc. But one of the most important thing that we are going to focus today is the profile tab. So the help is if you have any issues or if you find a bug, you can actually report it to Zenmap. So the profile is very important. For example, if I were to just have one of the slow comprehensive scans, as you can see, the comment is very long, but you can just add your target machine, and then from there what you can do, you can actually click on edit selected profile. So once you click on that, this will just give you extra power to just utilize all the features of Zenmap. And the cool thing about it, every tab has an explanation, a description. So the profile, they tell you what it does. The scan, when you click on the scan tab, you can actually enable operating system, version detection, FTP, etc. from your target machine right here. And you can just, for the ping session, you can just, customize, add more port number, etc. The scripting, you can just add the programming language or whatever you want to add, to utilize or get the best out of Zenmap. The target, you have all the options, source, destination, and order. But one of the cool thing is because that comment is very long, this can take a lot of time. They have the timing where you can actually set up, the timing to see to just a maximum time to just scan the target. So as you can see here, I want you to pay attention. Like when I hover my mouse and you see there is a help right here, you see every time I hover my mouse to a new feature, it tells you what the purpose behind that feature. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a very short video, and last week I didn't add that features for you guys, and I wanted to create that video so you guys can just get the best out of Zenmap. Now if you have any questions and concerns, make sure that you put them into the comment section below. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest cybersecurity tools and trends. Thank you.